Morning, Pottinger class. Today we finished working on attributes of two-dimensional shapes. Attributes means it's things about two-dimensional shapes, just so we're clear on that. So you should be able to identify and define two-dimensional shapes and all their parts. Okay, number 1 and number 2, we have a closed shape and an open shape. You see the difference between an open shape and a closed shape? Yes. Great. A polygon has 4 parts. A polygon is what? It is also? 2D. And 2D means? Flat. It's flat. It's made from what? And the line segments never will what? Cross. They'll never cross. What kind of shape has a dent in it? And if it sticks out, or if it just is a regular old shape, we call it what? Convex. Sweet. Regular polygons. This is a big one. Regular polygons have all equal what and what? What is this thing called right here? Let's say again. So if I have congruent markers like this, that means all the sides are the exact same. What are these angles called? Or what are these markers called? They're congruent markers, but ones that are like squarish like that are called what kind of congruent markers? 90 degrees or right angle markers, right? So are all of these angles the exact same? Down here, these are also congruent markers. They're not 90 degrees, so they're like half moons, right? Are all those angles the exact same? Yes or no? Okay. What does congruent mean? Again, everyone needs to participate here. Congruent means it is the same. So a regular polygon would be these guys, right? An irregular polygon would be a polygon that does not have all the sides and the angles the same. So, for example, do you see these congruent markers right there? Are those two sides the exact same? Yes or no? Are those two sides the exact same? I hear no's out there. These two sides are the exact same because they both have the exact same congruent marker, right? Okay. The top and the bottom is the exact same because they have the same type of congruent marker, right? Are all the angles on this shape the same? It's going to be about a 10-minute video. Are all the angles on this the same? Yes. They all have the exact same 90-degree mark. Therefore, they're all 90-degree angles. That would be the same. However, it's an irregular polygon because an irregular polygon has at least one difference in it. And the difference is this side, or these sides, are different than this side, right? What about this? Is this an irregular polygon? Yes. This side and this side and this side are all different. And we know that because there's one congruent marker for this side, 2 congruent markers for this side, and therefore none of the sides are congruent because there's all different marks. Yes? Acute. Less than what? 90 degrees. Obtuse. Greater than 90 degrees. Trapezoid has... Oh, wait. Don't worry about trapezoid. What do these things mean? Parallel markers. So that means this line right here and this line right here are what? Parallel. That means they never intersect across each other, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. And that's a trapezoid. I'm not going to talk much about trapezoids, rhombuses, or parallelograms, but you can see what they look like, right? Everybody good with those? When you name polygons, first of all, what does poly mean? What does gon mean? So a polygon is a shape with many sides, yes? And depending on the number of sides, we can actually come up with a name, or we can use the name to figure out the number of sides, yes? So like a triangle, how many sides does a triangle have? What does the word tri mean? How many sides does the quadrilateral have? What does quad mean? Oh, crazy. How many sides does a pentagon have? How many sides does a pentagon have? So pent means 5 and it has 5 sides, right? So like if you have a polygon such as this guy right here, can you name it a whole bunch of different things? Does it have a dent in it? So it's concave, right? Is it got 5 sides? Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what kind of shape is it? Pentagon. Are all the sides and angles the same? No. So what kind of polygon is it if they're not all the same? What about this one? Are all of the angles on this shape the exact same? Yes. Are all of the sides the exact same? Yes. The congruent markers and the congruent markers for both the angles and the sides say that they're the same, right? So therefore, it is what kind of polygon? Regular polygon? Yes. We good?